Jenbacher J612Gs, engine details and parts name. So let's see. Inlet gas line, flow meter, gas filter, gas valve, gas pressure meter, first PRV, pressure regulating valve, bypass line, gas filter and gas meter, second PRV, solenoid valve, tank jet valve, intercooler and turbocharger and silencer gas outlet, air filter and alternator, breather filter, exhaust manifold, gas compressor and inverter VFD. Cylinder head and ignition coil, air inline, ST-LT line, cooling system, oil cooler, oil filter, thermostat valve and heat exchanger side, cylinder head, exhaust manifold, pre-loop pump বা oil pump, pre-loop pump, AC and DC pump, alternator, breather filter, air filter, inlet gas, alternator backside, brake, battery, starting motor বা self motor, engine side cover, DC bus bar, ignition coil and transformer, this lighting, jacket water pump, jacket water heater pump and thermostat controller, vibration damper, crankcase oil pressure sensor, intercooler, exhaust gas outline, module interface panel, jacket water heat exchanger, escape hinging pump, cooling water pressure pump and ST-LT line, Jenbacher incoming gas, vessel ST and LT, pressure gauge, oil pump, oil tank, $30K maintenance. Next video coming soon. Please check comment box and description.